Hello, my name is Sajid Hussain. I teach in Tezpur Sharik Arts High School. In my earlier videos, I have done up to part 5. Today I am going to start with 5, part 6. Part 6, trigonometry. See, yesterday I solved from 8.3, question number 1. Number 9 of question 1. Today I am going to show you how to solve the question 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These all are important questions for SLC experience. Now you see, there is a pattern in the final question papers. See, these two question papers are, this is from 2019 and this is from 2020. See, in 2019, question number 17 you look at the sum, and question number 17 here also you look at the sum. So same sum. See, the pattern is same. Sin A is given 3/4. You have to find cos and cot. Here sec A is given. You have to find sin and cot. In question 18 you have to find the value. Evaluation is given. How to find the value of this? Question number 18. Here also you see in question number 18 this kind of sum is given. In question number 19 you have to find tan 2 is given as cot A minus 18. Here you see in question number 19 sec 4 is given as cosec A minus 20. Similarly in 20 you have to prove one identity. Here also you have to prove one identity in question number 20. The numbers are same, simply sums are different, and I am teaching you how to solve the sums. Today most of the sums from these question papers are going to be solved. It's from 8.3. Interesting thing is that all these questions are from your textbook only. You just have to learn and do the sums yourself, and so practice yourself. Go through my earlier teachings from part 1 to part 5 and watch the complete video. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get most of my sums on regular basis. Today I am going to show you question number 2. Here you have to find, the question is that there are two. It is a proof that tan 48 degree, tan 20 degree, tan 48 degree, tan 60 degree equal to 1. If this kind of sum is given, both sides are given, you have to write left hand side first. Left hand side equals to tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree. Then comes tan 42 degree, then tan 67 degree. Yesterday I told you, you have to arrange the complement name. Here tan 48 and here is tan 42. 48 plus 42, you know, 48 plus 42, if you add it, it becomes 90 degree, complementary angle. So you have to arrange this like this. So you have to write tan 48 degree first, then you write tan 48 degree. This is one group. Then comes tan 23 degree and tan 67. 23 plus 67, 90. See, here two pairs are here. From this pair, you have to change the first one. I prefer to change the first one. What will be there? It will be here. 90 minus 48 means 90 minus 42. Instead of 48 degree, I have written 90 minus 42. Then comes tan 42. Again, in this group, you write tan 23 is here, so it will be 90 minus 67. Then comes tan 67. I will explain it in more details in my part 5 video. See, tan 90 minus theta means what? Cot theta means what? 42. Tan 42. Then tan 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta means what? 67. If you have not watched my earlier videos, you must watch it completely so that you can follow me. See, cot means 1 by 10. This comes here tan theta. Theta is here 40 degree. Again, then you write cot means 1 by 10 theta. Then comes tan 67. See, if you cancel it, it will become 1. So you get right hand side. Right hand side as it is given in the question. See, to prove. So that this is equal to 1. So we have got 1. This is equal to right. Left hand side equal to right hand side is proved. EROVED proved. See, in my videos I try to do most of the sums, and most of the sums are important for SLC final exam. See, here question number 3. You look at this. It is from 2019. 10 twice a equal to cot A minus 18, where twice a is an acute angle. Find the value of A. So since it has come in 2019, it is very important for 2021. See, and it is important for 2021. This kind of sum also comes. See, it is 2020. See, same sort of sum. 4 sec 4a equal to cosec A minus 20. Find the value of A. Here 10 was given, like sec was given. It was question number 3, and the question which came in 2020 was question number 5. So all 3, 4, 5, 6 all are important for SLC. I am going to solve all the sums. So please stay tuned, subscribe it. See, first you have to write the question like this. Given 10 twice a equals to cot A minus 18. First you must write this. In my earlier classes I taught you how to write, how to change actually. See, tan theta is, if you want to change it to cot, what you have to write? 90 minus theta. I told you in my complementary angle chapter. So here cot is given, therefore you must have to change this, not this one. This time you have to change this part. 10 becomes cot. 90 minus theta is twice a equals to cot A minus 18 degree. Very interesting and very easy. Earlier you changed the angles, now you are changing this 10 cot sin, this part you are going to change. 10 instead of 10 you write cot, because here it's cot is written. So whenever you write cot here, you must write 90 minus theta. It's 90 minus, here theta is twice a. Now cot will cancel out. So 90 minus twice a equals to A minus 18 degree. These are degree actually. Now you see, here twice a is and here A is there. So transpose A and put the angles on separate sides. Put the values twice a or angles on one side, and put the angles values of and put the degrees on other side. Now add it, equal to 3a. Here to just solve the equation. See, this is your right degree. See, so you simply solve the equation, you find the value of A. You have got to find the value of A, you have got the value of A. Therefore A equals to 36 degree. Very easy. See, now question number 4 is given like this. If 10A equal to cot B, show that A plus B equal to 90. Very, very important for 2021 SLC. Very, very important. Because see, question number 3 has come in 2019, and question number 5 has come in 2020. You try it yourself. It is the same way I have done in question number 3. So try it yourself. I am going to show you question number 4. It is question number 5. See, solution you write. Given 10A equals to cot B. I have told you to change this part. If you write cot here, you must write 90 minus theta. You know, if you change this, you have to write 90 minus theta. Theta is here A. Cot B. So cot cancels. It becomes 90 minus A equals to B. You have to write degree also. So you write 90 degree equals to A. If you transpose this from this, minus A becomes plus A. So A plus B equals to 90 degree. Means A plus B equals to 90 degree. Proved. Very easy. See, this is very important for SLC final. SSLC. Very, very important. See, if angle ABC are interior angles of a triangle ABC, show that sine of B plus C by 2 equals to cos of A by 2. Now you see, since ABC are interior angles of triangle ABC, therefore A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. This is angle sum property of triangle. Now you see, here B plus C is given. Sometimes it is changed also. In 3 or 4 years back, it was changed in SLC final. B plus C was given. In final question, it was A plus B or C plus A, like that. So you have to observe this part very carefully. Here B plus C is given. So B plus C, so keep B plus C and transpose angle A, this part, this side. Then divide by what? 2. So dividing both sides by 2. If you divide this, you have to divide this also and this also. Dividing both sides by 2. So it will be what? B plus C by 2. If you divide 1 by 2, it becomes 90 by 2. Okay. Now what is there in the right side? You have to see what's the right side only. Here sign is given. So multiplying both sides by taking sine of both sides. Here sign is there, so taking both sides. Sine of both sides. Now you see, sine B plus C by 2. See, sine 90 minus theta here. Sine becomes cos. Theta means A by 2. Now you see, here we have since you have to write, since A, B, C are interior angles of triangle ABC, therefore angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal 180 degree. This is what angle sum property. Then it is given, you have to see this, B plus C is given, therefore you have to write here B plus C. If C plus D was given, C plus A was given, then you have to C plus A right here and B you have to transpose. Okay. Now you see, here divide by 2 is there, so dividing both sides by 2. This divide by 2, this dividing both sides by 2. Because if you divide by 2, then you get 90 degree. Then after dividing, you get this part. Now here is sine is in the left side. Here you must have to follow this part. So taking sine both sides. Taking sine both sides. Both sides. What happens? This remains the same way. So sine 90 minus theta equal to what? Cos theta. You know sine. So we have. So see, question is this. We have to prove this. No, we have proved this. So you have to write here. Proved. Very important for SLC final exam, final aspirants. So to get my video on daily basis, subscribe, like, and press the bell icon. Now tomorrow I am going to teach you 8.4, and so that you may get this channel on continuous basis. I have repeatedly told you, watch my earlier parts and watch the full videos. Then you can understand. So thank you and good night.